Hi there, my name is Nathan Hill and I'm the current Housemaster of Talbot House. Some of you already know me, but I thought I'd record a quick message to formally introduce myself. I moved to Workshop in 2013 and teach chemistry and biology. I've been in Talbot, or the Crown as it's also known, throughout my time here. I began life as a resident tutor, became the assistant housemaster in 2014 and spent 5 years in that role before taking over as housemaster last year. If I'm not teaching in the lab or in the house, I can normally be found umpiring basketball, hockey, netball and cricket, or even doing my best Jeremy Patchman impression as the quiz master for the House Challenge competitions. My interests outside the college include musical theatre, following the fortunes or seeming lack of Everton Football Club, and supporting the Nottingham Panthers ice hockey team. Let's go Panthers. I look forward to welcoming you into Talbot and cannot wait to meet you all, whether that is at the welcome drinks, at a sports fixture, after an evensong, or at the annual Talbot House dinner. But parents, if you've any questions in the meantime, please send me an email and I'll get back to you. Boys, well, Talbot boys as you are now. If you have any questions, worries or concerns, then please get in contact with me via email, speak to my assistant Mr Graham, or get in touch with any of the sixth form leadership team. Talbot House is a tight-knit community within the Workshop Ramby family and everyone has a role to play. It doesn't matter if you are a pupil or staff, whether you have a leadership role or not, or which year group you are in. Everyone is part of Talbot and it is important that no Talbot boy gets left behind. Whatever you are passionate about, wherever your skills lie, and whatever your interests are, I know you will find the opportunity to showcase your talents during your time here and find your own place within the Crown. I cannot urge you enough to get involved as much as you can straight away. As a Talbot boy, please immerse yourself into all the things the house has to offer. Volunteer your services to the house teams. Take part in the house outings and trips. Sing loud and proud in chapel and congas. Throw on the white vest and denim shorts and dance like no one's watching for house song. Drag yourself out for dawn run training. But most of all, please just be yourself and don't try and be something you're not. Although I'm sure you will learn what it means to be considered Talbot through and through. Finally, welcome again to Talbot House. I'm keen to get to know you all over the coming months and years, and I'm sure that by working together, we can build on the great things that this house has to offer and move forward as one collective and solid group. Thank you, and up the Crown.